In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate API documentation in Postman. By the end, you'll have clean, readable docs that are automatically built from the information you already manage in your workspace, so your team can understand endpoints without digging through code. Start by opening Postman and heading to the Collections sidebar. Select the collection you want to document. Everything you're about to write will live right inside the collection's descriptions, which Postman uses to assemble the documentation for you. Begin at the top level. Open the collection description and clearly explain the purpose of the API, any relevant context like the base URL or versioning approach, and a brief overview of how authentication works. Use placeholders instead of real credentials and avoid including any sensitive information. This high-level summary helps readers orient themselves before they dive into individual endpoints. Next, move into your folders within the collection. Folders are great for grouping related endpoints, such as user management or billing. In each folder's description, explain the workflow or feature area it represents, any prerequisites to calling those endpoints, and how the endpoints relate to each other. Short, scannable sections help readers find what they need quickly. Now document each individual request. In the request description, state the purpose in a single sentence, then outline the parameters, including which are required or optional, and what data types are expected. Call out important headers and note any default values or constraints. Include an example request and an example response that demonstrate a typical success case, and if helpful, a common error case. Use clear labels, consistent naming, and placeholder values instead of real tokens or personal data. You can format your text with markdown features like headings, lists, and inline code style to improve readability, but keep it concise and consistent. If authentication is required, specify the scheme used and where credentials should be supplied, such as in headers or query parameters. As you add these descriptions across the collection, folders, and requests, you're building the foundation of your docs. When you're ready to preview everything, go to the collection's overview and click View Complete Documentation. Postman will generate a full documentation page based on your descriptions, showing the structure, examples, and all details in one place. Review it for clarity, check that parameter names and types match the requests, make sure your examples are accurate, and confirm no sensitive data appears. If something looks off, return to the descriptions, update the text, and refresh the preview. That's it. With thoughtful descriptions and clear examples, Postman turns your collection into professional, easy-to-read API documentation.